Hey, what's up everyone? In today's video, we're going to talk about some websites that pay you to make money online. With the rise of the internet, making money online has become a popular way to earn a living. And these websites can be a great way to supplement your income or even turn it into a full-time job. Hit that subscribe button to get notified when next we drop new video. Number 1. Paid surveys. First up, let's talk about paid surveys. There are many websites out there that will pay you for your opinions. Some popular options include Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Vindale Research. These websites will pay you to take surveys on a variety of topics, from product reviews to market research. While you won't get rich taking surveys, it can be a great way to earn some extra cash in your spare time. Number 2. Freelance work. Next, let's talk about freelance work. If you have a skill, such as writing, graphic design, or programming, you can offer your services on websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. These websites connect freelancers with clients who need work done. You can set your own rates and work on projects that interest you. Freelancing can be a great way to earn money online while doing something you enjoy. Number 3. Affiliate marketing. Another way to make money online is through affiliate marketing. This involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission on sales you refer. Websites like Amazon Associates, ShareSale, and ClickBank offer affiliate programs for a wide variety of products. You can promote these products on your website, blog, or social media accounts. The key to success with affiliate marketing is to choose products that are relevant to your audience and provide value to them. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to get notified when next we drop new video. Number 4. Online marketplaces. If you have items to sell, you can use online marketplaces like eBay, Etsy, and Amazon to reach a global audience. These websites allow you to set up a store and sell your products to customers around the world. You can sell physical items like clothing or jewelry, or digital products like ebooks or courses. Online marketplaces can be a great way to turn your hobbies into a profitable business. Number 5. Online tutoring. If you have expertise in a subject, you can offer your services as an online tutor on websites like Chegg, TutorMe, and Schooly. These websites allow you to connect with students who need help with their studies. You can set your own rates and work with students on a flexible schedule. Online tutoring can be a great way to earn money while helping others learn. Number 6. Virtual assistant services. If you have administrative or organizational skills, you can offer your services as a virtual assistant on websites like Upwork, TaskRabbit, and Zirtual. These websites connect business owners and entrepreneurs with virtual assistants who can help them with tasks like email management, scheduling, and social media management. Virtual assistant services can be a great way to earn money while working from home. Number 7. Online focus groups. Another way to make money online is through online focus groups. Websites like Respondent, UserTesting, and Userlytics offer paid focus group opportunities for people who want to share their opinions on products or services. These websites will pay you for your time and feedback, which can be a great way to earn money while sharing your thoughts. Number 8. Online data entry. If you have good typing skills, you can offer your services as an online data entry clerk on websites like Clickworker, Amazon Mechanical Turk, and Microworkers. These websites offer small tasks that can be completed quickly, such as data entry, data processing, and form filling. While the pay may be low, these tasks can be completed quickly and can add up over time. Click that subscribe button to get notified when next we drop new video. Number 9. Stock photography. If you have a talent for photography, you can sell your images on websites like Shutterstock, iStock, and Adobe Stock. These websites allow you to upload your photos and sell them to customers around the world. You can earn a commission every time someone downloads your photo, which can be a great way to earn passive income over time. Number 10. Online writing. Finally, let's talk about online writing. If you have a talent for writing, you can offer your services as a freelance writer on websites like ProBlogger, Contina, and TextBroker. These websites allow you to find writing jobs in a variety of niches, from blog posts to white papers. Freelance writing can be a great way to earn money online while doing something you enjoy. Finally, and that's it for